Hey everyone, Daniel Webster here from Pocketnow.com, and this is another episode of the Windows Phone 7 app Roundup, in which we review 5 applications in 30 seconds each. So let's get started. This application is called Flashcards and is free on the Windows Marketplace. The cool thing about this application is it allows you to learn various things by quizzing yourself with these various flashcards. So let's say that I wanted to learn the trig identities. All I have to do is click on here and it will load the trig identities. Of course, you can always load your own flashcards. So of course, sine 2x plus cosine 2x equals 1, and I can just flip over to the back to view that. I can also edit it if I'd want. Let's say that I wanted to change this value. All I have to do is click there and I can change the flashcard. Chicks and Vixens is a free game available on the Windows Marketplace that's somewhat similar to Angry Birds. So what I want to do is first zoom out, and I can aim my cannon here, aim it at these vixens, which are of course foxes, and we can just shoot them, the birds over there, and didn't do too great that time. So let's shoot another bird. And when I've accomplished my goal, I move on to the next level. This game is still in beta stages and only has 15 levels. Flixster is a free culmination between the Flixster site and the Rotten Tomatoes website. So the great thing about this is you can get box office information, get theaters, upcoming movie releases, DVDs, search. You can also change their settings. So let's say that I want to view a box office, some of the movies that are out right now. I can just click on here and we'll wait for it to load, and as you can see, the right has 17% on a Rotten Tomatoes scale, so that's not too great. All I have to do is move over to the right to get theaters, upcoming information, and DVDs. Quadra is a fast-paced game in which you can use up to 4 points on your screen to move your crosshair. So I'll show you how this works using just 1 point, and then I will fast forward and show you how it works on multiple points. So the game becomes rather involved when you move to multiple points. Here's 2, and as you can see, it becomes very tricky to try to attack these enemies before they reach the center, and if they reach the center, then you lose the game. And here I am using 4 points on the screen, and it's very hard to do. Unite is a free game that uses the accelerometer. The object of the game is to move these silver metallic balls next to each other and cause them to fuse together. So what I want to do is to move the larger metallic ball until I complete this level, and this is the first level, and it's rather pretty easy, so I'll just move on and I'll show you how the other levels work. So here's a much more challenging level in which you must move your pieces across and avoid those propeller type objects. And the game continues on like this until you pass all of the levels. So this has been another episode of the Windows Phone 7 app Roundup, and if you like our videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up and also leave some comments down below. To get the download information directly to the Zune software, just visit the link in the description to be directed to Pocketnow's website, where we also have the Microsoft tag images in case you just want to snap a picture on your Windows Phone 7 device. Thanks for watching.